dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The Islamic cleric Sheikh Guma calls for peaceful protests over hardship under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government. He says that President Muhammad Buhari and other APC chieftains protested against ex-president Jonathan. My people, it was set. Moving on after this, we have Senator Oshiomhole, Monday Okpobolo, and H0T ignite Benin City ahead of the Edo gubernatorial election. But my people, before I go carry the matter, come give una go like, welcome una back to my wonderful channel. Reality latest gist as today, give una back-to-back update and information as they hot. So if today now your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg like, subscribe and share. But make you no forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. So all our amazing subscribers, I thank una well for joining us on today's news. I really do appreciate it. So my people, may we dive into the main story. Controversial Islamic cleric Sheikh Dr. Ahmed Guma urged Nigerians to engage in peaceful protests as a means of conveying their grievances, emphasizing that protests are crucial tool for driving change. In a video clip seen by Sahara reporters, Sheikh Guma emphasized the importance of peaceful demonstration while cautioning against the use of violence or incitement. He said, as we all know, that politicians are very stubborn, so it is mass protests that can only disturb them. My people, don't be small matter. So addressing concern over comparison with the past protests in countries like Sudan, Lebanon, and Liberia, Sheikh Guma highlighted Nigeria's unique diversity. He said that in Sudan and Liberia that the conflicts were like family feud, which are very dangerous. But Nigeria is different, with diverse ethnicity, religion, culture, tribe, and sect. So he explained that noting internal tension, even with religious sects, like the Izala in Nigeria, Sheikh Guma expressed optimism that peaceful protests would convey the public demand for good governance and development. He said protest is the only language the government understands. So he urged authorities to heed the call for reform and improvement. Highlighting past political actions, Sheikh Guma criticized the government's response to protests, contrasting it with previous protests led by current officials. He said that in 2015, that Muhammad Buhari and other top All Progressive Congress APC officials came out to protest that the previous government had spoiled Nigeria. Then protest was legal, but now it is illegal. He pointed out, lamenting the inconsistency in how protests are viewed and treated. Sheikh Guma said that Sindosya say God is willing and the protest will proceed peacefully, and the government must understand and respond positively to the language of protest. Sheikh Guma concluded by calling for constructive dialogue and meaningful reform for the benefit of all Nigerians. Guma's comments coincident with growing discontent in northern Nigeria, where some people are planning protests to voice their concern about the economic situation, including rising inflation and poverty during President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. My people, first time ever, Sheikh Guma is making sense to me. What he said was the truth. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and President Muhammad Buhari sponsored protests during the time of Goodluck Jonathan to unseat his government because they said that his government is not yielding any fruit. But they have forbid protests under their own clueless government. My people, when see where they happened before, whether they like it or not, the people are planning to protest and the protest is coming. The government must understand and respond positively to the language of protest. During that time, Muhammad Buhari even threatened to form a parallel government if PDP messed up. It reached their turn, everything became worse. So my people, APC and PDP, which one come better now? So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Really do appreciate. Moving on to the next one. The streets of Benin City, Edo State capital, were literally set ablaze with enthusiasm as Comrade Oshiomhole led a formidable street-to-street campaign alongside the All Progressive Congress governorship candidate Monday Okpobolo and his running mate Dennis Idahosa ahead of the September 21st election. The event was held over the weekend and a lot of supporters flooded the streets chanting and waving banners, creating an atmosphere of hope and unity. Monday Okpobolo and Dennis Idahosa, affectionately known as Akpakomiza and Denko, respectively, appear to be capturing the heart of Edo populace with their promises of development and transparent governance. The campaign symbolized by the mantra of less talk, more action. So APC are saying that it is aimed to shift from rhetoric to delivering tangible results. The presence of Adams Oshiomhole, a stalwart in Edo politics, added significant weight to the campaign. His endorsement is seen as a powerful affirmation of Monday Okpebholo and Dennis Idahosa's capability and vision. My people need to see Senator Adams Oshiomhole with the ginger campaigning for Monday Okpebholo. He was reinforcing the message that with the right leadership, Edo State could achieve unprecedented growth and development. My problem is small matter. So they say many people come vote Monday Okpebholo because he's the right person for the people. That he's going to change what Obaseki have already spoiled. Because he said since he left the states that Governor Godwin Obaseki did not do anything. Most of the projects he achieved during that time were abandoned. So he said Monday Okpebholo is the person that is going to start from where he stopped. That is why he's urging the people of Edo State to support Monday Okpebholo because he's the right person for Edo State. They know the talk say na the man where the cap fits. He's soft-spoken, he's focused, and he's an achiever. They said he is a product that is highly marketable, and they are confident that with Monday Okpebholo as their flag bearer, that they will bring Edo back to APC. My people, let me small matter. Even the APC National Chairman, Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, at the state has done contact say Monday Okpebholo is their candidate. And he has pledged that the party will stand with Monday Okpebholo like the wall of Gibraltar. That they are happy if Monday Okpebholo is happy. And they are determined if Monday Okpebholo is determined. So they are going to work with Monday Okpebholo. They are going to stand with him. That is what he can assure Monday Okpebholo. He said that the party is supreme, but victory is superior and is very important. So they will do everything in their power to make sure that Monday Okpebholo becomes the governor of Edo State. He appreciated the leadership of the APC in Edo State for carefully nominating the right person as a running mate to the party gubernatorial candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo. He said that the choice and nomination of Dennis Idahosa for the position gladdened his heart, particularly the youth. So they are going to do everything in their power to make sure that they come out victorious in this coming election. My people, don't be small matter. So my people, I go like know what I think about this issue in the comment section. I go like know our thoughts, opinion, and contribution in our comment section below. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. Because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate it. So my people, see you guys next time. Till I come your way next. Stay safe, guys. Bye.